In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photo in Canva resume. Adding a personal touch to your resume can make all the difference, and including a professional photo is a great way to do that. Whether you're applying for a job or creating a portfolio, Canva makes this process simple and intuitive. And don't worry if you're new to Canva, I'll walk you through every step, so by the end of this tutorial, your resume will look polished and ready to impress. If you don't already have a Canva account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Alright, let's get started. First, open Canva and navigate to your resume design. Once you've pulled up your design, take a moment to locate the left-hand panel in the Canva workspace. This is where you'll find most of the tools and options you'll need throughout the process. Now, click on the Uploads tab in the left panel. This is where all the media files you've uploaded to Canva are stored. Here's the first thing to check. Do you see your photo already uploaded? If it's there, you're all set to move on to the next step. But if you don't see your photo in the Upload section, no problem. Simply click the purple Upload Files button located at the top of the Uploads panel. After clicking, you'll need to find your photo on your device. This could be in your Pictures folder, on your desktop, or wherever you typically save your images. Select your photo and Canva will begin uploading it right away. Keep in mind, if your image is high resolution, it might take a few seconds to upload, so just be patient while it processes. Once your photo appears in the Upload section, it's time to decide how to add it to your resume. Take a look at your resume design. Does your template already include a designated photo frame? If it does, all you need to do is click and hold your photo from the Uploads panel, drag it over to the photo frame, and release it. Canva will automatically snap the photo into place for you. But what if your template doesn't have a photo frame? Don't worry, we can create one. Go back to the left-hand panel and click on the Elements tab. In the search bar at the top of the Elements panel, type in the word frame and press enter. This will bring up a variety of frame options for you to choose from. For resumes, I recommend selecting either a square frame or a circle frame. These shapes give a clean, modern look that works well in professional designs. Once you've chosen the frame you like, click and drag it onto your resume canvas. Now let's adjust the frame size and position. Click and drag the corners of the frame to resize it to your liking. Then move the frame to the spot on your resume where you'd like your photo to appear. Take your time here. It might take a few adjustments to get the placement just right. When you're happy with the frame's position, head back to the Uploads tab. Select your photo and drag it into the frame you've just added. Once you release the photo inside the frame, Canva will automatically crop it to fit the shape of the frame. At this point, you might want to tweak the photo's position within the frame. To do this, simply double-click on the photo inside the frame. This will allow you to move the photo around so you can center it exactly how you want. Once you're satisfied with the positioning, click outside the frame to finalize the adjustment. And that's it. You've successfully added a photo to your Canva resume. So now you know exactly how to upload your photo, use Canva's frames, and position everything perfectly for a polished, professional look. If you have any questions or run into any challenges, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to help you out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.